So we're gonna be flying together with the Avata and his, what is that? His Cinelog 35 HD.
Do you happen to have a permanent marker?
Yeah, in my car. You know I'm filming, huh? Sucker. It's freaking hot.
It's hot.
It's scorching. There's a football game going on right over there. So we're gonna have loads and loads of cars and people.
Try not to bang anyone.
You heard that? He just said we're gonna try and bang somebody, right? Oh, never mind. Let's do this.
He knows everything about me. What I love, what I hate, what I dream. Ain't nobody could love me like he would, but he don't love me like that. You see, he's the one I can't get out my head. Every touch, every word that he said, I play it back again. That boy makes me.
So I guess his analog signal got interrupted when I was flying mine or starting up my Avata. He just went to look for it. Did you find it? So what happened there?
I think right when you kind of power it on or whatever, my video went out.
So DJI taking out another drone.
Analog,
Receiver still connected.
You're the one that's always got my back. Oh, when I'm running, you are my shadow, and I can't let go. I wish that there was something I could do, but I can't. I love you. When I'm low, you always take me higher. When I'm cold, boy, you are my fire, and you pull me through. I wish that there was something I could do, but I can't. I love you. He's the one who slowly breaks my heart. Every time him and I are apart. I was someone else, not knowing how I felt, but he don't love her like that. Yeah, I wish I would be swept away, and I would forget all about your face. Ain't nobody could be better than you would, so I wouldn't love them like that. Hey, oh, I get so close to losing control, pouring out my heart and my soul. But I'd rather have him live my life than watch and say goodbye.
So that was my first crash. Like there was a power line I didn't see, and then I hit it, and it said impact detected, and then she was still hovering, but then for some reason she started going backwards, and before I knew it, poof, she went go down. So I don't know. I'm waiting for him. He actually ran down there all the way to the end of the road for grab it, and I hope she's fine.
nothing.
What? There's like no damn. Oh, the battery ejected. See?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, yeah. There we get all the scratches. That's when she went go backwards and she just went clean out.
Dude, that's awesome.
So let's see if she start up.
Guaranteed.
So she's starting up.
For you.
She is connected. Aircraft in low power state, and I have camera. Let's see if we can start them. And here we go. Wow. My first, okay, no more B-roll with this one because that thing is now scratched up.